Okay, so let's start with the simplest chapter you have encountered, that is mathematical reasoning. Mathematical reasoning. In this, let us discuss main points. Already we have studied this in boards. All the points are covered in boards. ठीक आहे, तरी सुद्धा काहीतरी इम्पॉर्टंट काही अजून काही पॉइंट्स असतील, काही रिव्हिजन करायचे असतील, ते पॉइंट्स आपण डिस्कस करू आणि पुढे जाऊया. Okay, so let's start with mathematical reasoning. So declarative or assertive sentence. First one is declarative or assertive sentence. Declarative or assertive sentence. Now we have seen which are the declarative sentences. For example, Delhi is an India, where we are declaring something, that is called as declarative something sentence. So just for example, Delhi is in India. Second example of this is 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Third example can be taken as the sun is a star. The sun is a star. So these are the examples of declarative or assertive sentences. Then there are certain imperative sentences. There are certain imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. Let us see which are those imperative sentences.
सर व्हिडिओ दिसत नाही. हॅलो सर.
व्हिडिओ दिसतोय, तुला दिसत नाहीये कारण तू दुसरीकडे कुठेतरी गेलेली मीटिंग मध्ये.
नाही सर. दिसत नाही ना सर.
तू माझ्या व्हिडिओला पिन कर.
हो पण तो व्हिडिओच ओपन होत नाही ना, बंदच दिसतोय डायरेक्ट.
तुझ्याकडे रेंज नाही. नाही नाही, त्यांना क्लिअर आहे. तुझ्याकडे रेंज नाहीये. मला इथं पण कळतं ना, मला इथं पण कळतं. एकदा व्हिडिओ तू ऑन करून ऑफ कर आणि परत वाटल्यास मीटिंग मध्ये रिएंटर कर. मीटिंग ऑन करून ऑफ कर, परत मीटिंग लिव्ह करून परत जॉईन कर. ठीक आहे. Imperative sentences चे एग्जांपल्स आपण बघू शकतो त्या ठिकाणी. प्लीज ओपन द डोअर. Please. I am directly taking the example because you know what is imperative sentence, what is declarative sentence. So there is please open the door. This is a command. Second one, you can say get out. Get out. That is again a command. Third one, third example can be taken as give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. So these are the examples of imperative sentences. We are talking about sentences. There. Now, what are exclamatory sentences? Let us see what are exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. So these are like how beautiful. Okay, so these are like how beautiful. The second one, terrible accident it is. Second one, what a terrible accident it is. So that is also exclamatory sentence. Third one, may God help you. May God help you. So here we are seeing different types of exclamatory sentences आपण या ठिकाणी बघितले. ठीक आहे. डिक्लेरेटिव्ह, त्याच्यानंतर इम्परेटिव्ह, त्याच्यानंतर एक्सक्लेमेटरी. मला फार काही एक्सप्लेन करण्याची या ठिकाणी गरज नाही कारण ऑलरेडी आपण हे सगळं डिस्कस केलेलं आहे. सो इट जस्ट अ शॉर्ट रिव्हिजन. इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स. But it is necessary to choose the options. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences is question mark type. So first one, how are you? Okay. Second one, what do you want? What do you want? So all these are interrogative questions. Where is your pen? Where is your pen? Okay, so all these are interrogative sentences. Now, in mathematical logic, we come across different types of sentences or statements or propositions. Okay. So, for example, if we have to mention a statement or a proposition, statement or proposition. So these are nothing but, as we know, these are declarative sentences. These are declarative sentences which are either true or false, but not both simultaneously. True असेल किंवा false असेल, डिक्लेरेटिव्ह मध्ये या टाइपचे जे आहेत त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो, स्टेटमेंट किंवा प्रपोजिशन. एकतर ट्रू किंवा फॉल्स, पण दोघं एकाच वेळेस शक्य नाही. दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज स्टेटमेंट्स ऑर प्रपोजिशन. Just for example, let us take one example. Mumbai is in India. Mumbai is in India. So this is a true statement. Second one, 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is again a true statement. Third one, sun is a star. Sun is a star. It is again a true statement. And then there are certain false statement also. It may be a false also. So fourth one, 8 is less than 4. 8 is less than 4. It is a statement, or it is a false statement. Fifth one, each set is finite. Each set is finite. So this is again a statement, but it is again false, because there are all the sets of real numbers, or what you can say as integers. All these sets are infinite sets. So there are so many sets which are infinite. So it is not necessary that every set is a finite set. Sixth one, please, 1 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 3. So it is a statement, but it is a false statement. Clear? Now let us see which are not statements. The sentences which are not statements. आता अशी काही सेंटेन्सेस असणार की जे सेंटेन्स आहे पण स्टेटमेंट नाही. ते कोणते प्रकार झाले? इम्परेटिव्ह, एक्सक्लेमेटरी, इंट्रोगेटिव्ह. इम्परेटिव्ह, एक्सक्लेमेटरी, इंट्रोगेटिव्ह या टाइपचे जितके सगळे आहेत ते सगळे काय आहेत? हे स्टेटमेंट नाहीये. These are not statements. These are certain sentences only. So just for example, shut the door. First one, shut the door. Second one, where are you going? Where are you going? Third one, hooray, we have won the match. Hooray, we have won the match. Fourth one, please do me a favor. Please do me a favor. Okay, now all these are not a statement. These are not statements. So these are not statements. Now why? प्रत्येकाने सांगा पटापट. शट द डोअर हे स्टेटमेंट नाहीये. मग कुठला प्रकार आहे? स्टेटमेंट नाहीये तर मी क्लिअर सांगून दिला. these are not statements. So these must be from imperative, exclamatory or interrogative. काय आहे? First one, shut the door. Order आहे. Okay. Order means imperative. Second one. Yes, first one is imperative. Second one. Where are you going? Interrogative. Correct. It's a question. Third one. Hooray. We have won the match. Third. We have won the match. Hooray. Exclamatory. Correct. Fourth one. Please do me a favor. Fourth one. Please do me a favor. It's a request. So it's which form? It's again imperative. Correct. Order or request. Order or request. Or stand for order or request. They are imperative. Okay. Then where are you going? That is interrogative. Hooray, we have won the match. That is exclamatory. So these are these type of sentences, but these are not statements. Next. Truth value. Next is truth value. So truth value of a statement can be either true or false, but not both simultaneously. That we have already seen. Now we have already written truth value of these certain statements over here. ठीक आहे. हे तीन स्टेटमेंट्स ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू ट्रू आहे, याची फॉल्स आहे, अशा पद्धतीने आपण ऑलरेडी या ठिकाणी मेन्शन केलेला आहे. वन बाय वन वी कॅन चेक. The 17 is a prime number, and in two examples, first one 17 is a prime number. So you have to mention the truth value. Second one, Earth is flat. Earth is flat. Okay, just tell me the truth value. First and second truth value सांगा पटकन. First and second truth value. What is the truth value of first? What is the truth value of second? TF, correct. TF, correct. Very good. This is true and this is false. Next, now we know how to prepare the truth table. See? So for truth table, number of rows depends upon truth table. Now when you prepare truth table, then if there are n statements, then number of rows is equal to 2 raised to n. Number of rows किती असणार? 2 raised to n. If there are n statements. So for example, if there are 2 statements, then we get 2 raised to 2. That is 4 number of rows in the truth table. Now we have already seen how to write down truth table for one statement, 2 raised to 1. 1 row will be there. For two rows will be there. 2 raised to 2. For 2 statements, 2 raised to 2. 4 rows will be there. For 3 statements, P, Q, R, 2 raised to 3. 8 rows will be there. Next, types of statements. Next is types of statements. So statements may be either simple statement or a compound statement. So there are 2 types. First one, the simple statement or a compound statement. Simple statement म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त एकच सिंगल स्टेटमेंट असणार. सिंगल statement. For example, √2 is an irrational number. For example, मध्ये आपण बघू शकतो √2 is an irrational number. ठीक है, किंवा दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट, E is a vowel, E is a vowel. So all these are simple statements. So there is only one single statement in this, that is called as a simple statement. Second type is compound. Second type is compound statement. Compound statement. So it is a combination of two or more than two statements. Then it is called as a compound statements. Combination of two or more than two statements. That is called as a compound statements. And obviously, if there are two or more than two statements, then they must be connected by certain connectives. ठीक, त्यामध्ये काहीतरी कनेक्टिव्ह असणार आहे, अँड ऑर नॉट वगैरे, इफ देन किंवा यू कॅन ओनली, कनेक्टिव्ह यामध्ये काहीतरी असणार आहे. सो जस्ट फॉर एक्झाम्पल, it is raining and cold. So for example, it is raining and cold. Second, Ram is intelligent or studies every night. Ram is intelligent or studies every night. ठीक है, या प्रकारे म्हणतो compound statement. If Seema is fat, then she is happy. If Seema is fat, then she is happy. So all these are what? These are compound statements. Why? Because there are two statements. It is raining and it is cold. Ram is intelligent or Ram studies every night. Seema is fat. Seema is happy. So this is a compound statement. Now in a compound statement, simple statements are called components. ठीक है, ये जे सिंपल स्टेटमेंट आपण अंडरलाइन जे केलेले आहेत, they are called as components. So in a compound statement, simple statements are called components. त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो? त्यांना components असं म्हणतो. Then next, the words and, not, if, then, and, if are called logical connectives. पाच प्रकारचे कनेक्टिव्ह आपण ऑलरेडी पाहिले, जे दोन सेंटेन्सला जॉईन करतात, जे दोन स्टेटमेंटला जॉईन करतात. सो द वर्ड्स कोणकोणते? अँड, ऑर, त्याच्यानंतर नॉट, त्याच्यानंतर इफ देन, त्याच्यानंतर इफ, IFF, इफ are called as logical connectives. They are logical connectives. क्लियर है इथपर्यंत? कोई डाउट असेल तर पटकन विचारून घ्या. हर्ष, आपको कुछ नेटवर्क में इश्यू आ रहा है? आर यू गेटिंग माय ऑडियो वीडियो क्लियरली?
यस सर.
ओके, वेरी गुड. चलिए, नहीं आप 2-3 बार आप बाहर गए फिर अंदर आए. सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव, जिसके ऊपर हमें सॉल्व करना होता है. तो दिस इज समथिंग वेरी वेरी बेसिक. इसमें तो सबको इंटरेस्ट भी आता है और सॉल्व भी करते हैं क्वेश्चन बड़े अच्छे से. अब थोड़ा सा आगे और बढ़ते हैं, कनेक्टिव देखते हैं. Now let us prepare the table for logical connectives. Okay, let us prepare the table for logical connectives. So connective, or what you can say as a word. Next column is their symbol. Next column is their nature of the compound statement. Nature of compound statement. So there are, as we know, there are 5 types of connectives. First one is and, second one or, third one not, next if then, last one if and only if. If and only if. It is also written as IEEF if. So these are the 5 connectives. Or what is their symbol? For and, ulta V, for or, V, not. For not, we have this symbol. Then if then, so that is a single-sided arrow. It may be a double line or a single line. So this is nothing but basically implies. And if and only if, it is a double-sided arrow, or you can also write it like this also. Okay, so arrow is single-sided, arrow is double-sided. If then, if and only if. Now, what are their names basically? So, and is called as conjunction. Then or is nothing but disjunction. Not is nothing but negation. Next one, if then is called as implication. Implication or conditional. Implication or conditional. And this is double implication or biconditional. Double implication or biconditional, or it is also called as equivalence or equivalence. It is also called as equivalence. So these are the 5 types of logical connectives. Now in these 5 types, we already know this not is the single connective which operates on a single statement or simple statement. This operates on a simple single statement, not. All the other connectives, 1, 2, this 3, and this 4. All these 4 connectives operates on compound statements, means 2 or more than 2 or 3 statements. Now let us prepare the truth table for this. We will prepare a combined truth table for all the connectives. We will prepare a combined truth table for all the connectives. Okay, so I am taking over here P, then Q, then P and Q, P or Q. Let us take negation P. Next, P implies Q, P double implies Q. ठीक है? अब इन सब के लिए अगर मुझे ट्रूथ टेबल बनाना होगा तो क्या कंडीशंस होते हैं? That we have to write down over here. जैसे हमने देखा था, we have to learn this, we have to remember this. According to the truth values of P and Q, what is the truth value of the compound statements? Now, since we are considering only 2 statements, so there will be total 4 rows. There will be total 4 rows, and these 4 rows will be T, T. ठीक है, 4 rows कैसे लिखेंगे हम? यहाँ पर लिख देंगे T, T, F, F. इधर हम लिखेंगे T, F, T, F. Here Q की ट्रूथ वैल्यूज हमने all the possible combinations we have written down over here. Now P and Q. Now there are 5 rules for this to remember. अगर मैं सबसे पहले negation P लिखूं तो negation P क्या होता है? Negation P is nothing but true अगर होगा तो उसका हो जाएगा false, false अगर होगा तो उसका हो जाएगा true. So it's quite simple as that. ठीक है, ट्रू का फॉल्स होगा, फॉल्स का ट्रू होगा, सो दैट इज नथिंग बट निगेशन. तो निगेशन तो हम तुरंत ही लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर. जैसे कि यहाँ पर निगेशन पी में क्या आएगा, निगेशन पी में वैल्यूज होंगे इधर टी टी एफ एफ है तो इसका निगेशन हो जाएगा एफ एफ टी टी. क्लियर. तो बच गए हमारे पास चार. एंड का देयर इज सर्टेन रूल फॉर एंड and there is another certain rule for or and similarly for implies and double implies. So this meeting is about going to end, so I am restarting the meeting. You have to join it again. ठीक है, मैं मीटिंग तुरंत ही रिस्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, आप ज्वाइन कर